boys and girls. Today's learning goal says, identify the main purpose of a text, including what the author wants to answer, explain, or describe. The main idea of a text is the most important point that the author is making about the subject or the topic. You have to remember though, even though different parts of a book might have their own purpose, each separate purpose relates to or fits with the main purpose of the entire text. Let me show you some examples so you can understand what I mean. In the book Money Matters, we're going to look at pages 28 and 29. I see that the purpose of these two pages is to explain budgets. I know that because the heading says budgeting, and there's images here I can look at that talk about budgeting. There's also a header, what is a budget? There's also captions that explain what is happening in the picture. A budget is a plan that helps people save and spend their money sensibly. So the purpose of this part of the book is to explain budgets, that it relates to or it fits with the main purpose of the entire book, which is to explain money and describe how people use it. Let's take a look at these two pages, pages 12 and 13. Do you think you could identify the purpose of these two pages? Can you explain how this purpose relates to the main topic of the book? Take a few moments to read back over these pages and think about what the purpose of these two pages might be. Well, I see a heading called Glittery Gold. I see all these images that are showing pictures of gold. There's also some information here about the gold rush. So perhaps the purpose of this page is to explain the importance of the precious metal known as gold. Your learning goal is to identify the main purpose of a text and include what the author wants to answer, explain, or describe. Next time you're reading an informational text, see if you can identify the main purpose.